Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are good at home. So, today, Standard 7 English Medium, Unit 7. In this unit, there is a poem named Dad and Cat and the Tree, and is written by Kit Wright. I have told you the story of the poem. Now I am going to explain this poem through the stanza wise. Okay, so the first stanza tell us about what? See, this morning a cat got stuck in our tree. Dad said, right, just leave it to me. So in this stanza, the poet said, one fine morning, a cat got stuck. Where? Up in a tree that belonged to the poet. The members of the family showed their concern, but Dad pacified and assured them that he would easily bring the cat down. ओके, तो क्या होता है फर्स्ट स्टांजा के अंदर कि आज सुबह एक बिल्ली हमारे पेड़ में फंस गई. तो ये जो डैड है, इसके डैड ने कहा कि ठीक, बस इसे मैं ऊपर, बस मेरे ऊपर सब छोड़ दो, ऐसा इन्होंने कहा. सो नाउ comes to the second stanza, but before that some words. Which words? Hard words. Got stuck means what? Got stuck means remained stuck. Okay, and the second word is leave it to me. Leave it to me means I'll do it. Okay, now comes to this second stanza. The tree was wobbly. The tree was tall. Mum said, for goodness sake, don't fall. So, what did the poet say? The tree was not easy to be climbed due to its unsteady nature and height. Mum had her fears that Dad would have a bad fall if ever he makes an attempt to climb up the tree. तो इसके अंदर स्टांजा के अंदर क्या कह रहे हैं कि पेड़ अस्थिर था. क्या था? पेड़ अस्थिर, जड़ से मजबूत नहीं था. पेड़ लंबा था. तो माँ ने कहा कि भगवान के लिए गिरना मत, इनको कहा. So in this stanza, this wobbly is the word. Wobbly means unsteady. Okay, and for goodness sake means for the sake of God. What? For the sake of God. That is the meaning. Now comes to the third stanza. Fall, scoffed Dad. A climber like me, child's play. This is, you wait and see. He got out the ladder from the garden shed. It slipped. He landed in the flower bed. So I take this whole as a third stanza. So in this stanza, what happened? Dad laughed at Mum for the weird idea of his fall. He boasted of his climbing skill and confidently mocked that the activity was a child's play. In no time, he brought a ladder to climb up the tree. But it slipped and Dad fell down in the flower bed. So, in this stanza, the word scoffed. Scoffed means what? Scoffed means laughed. Laughed mockingly. Laughed mockingly. Okay? मजाक उड़ाते हुए, हंसते हुए कहते हैं वो. Then the word climber. Climber means क्या? One who climbs. One who climbs. Then the word got out. Got out means fetch. Okay? जो लेकर आते हैं वो. Then the word here given shed. Shed means S-T-O, store. Okay? Then the word slipped. Slipped means slided. Slipped means slided. And landed means came down. Okay? Landed means came down. Okay. Then flower bed means flower basin. Okay. Then comes to the here next stanza. In this stanza, see, the never mind, said Dad, brushing the dirt off his head and his face and his trousers and his shirt. So, in this stanza, the poet said, Dad was quite embarrassed at his fall. He got up instantly and brushed off the dirt from his face, hair and clothes. He assured his family that everything was fine, despite the insulting incident. So, in this stanza, poet क्या कहता है कि कोई बात नहीं, डैड बोले, अपने बालों और अपने चेहरे की और अपनी पेट और अपनी कमीज की धूल झाड़ते हुए कहा. So, in this stanza, the words never mind mean it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay? And this word, what of? O-double-F. Of means from. Of means from. Okay. Then next stanza. We will try plan B. Stand out of the way. Mom said, don't fall again. Okay. So, in this stanza, the poet said, Dad was firm on his stand to climb the tree and was ready to implement plan B. He asked the members of his family to stand out the way. But Mom had her fears that Dad would fall again. She cautioned him and told him to be more careful. So, in this stanza, the poet says, हम बी योजना आजमाएंगे, रास्ते से हट जाओ. पर मम ने कहा, फिर मत गिरना, समझे ना, ऐसा उसकी मम ने कहा. So, in this stanza, some words. Which words? This. Out of the way. Out of the way means away from the field of operation. Field of operation. That is the meaning of the word. Okay? And this, okay. Okay means is that right? Okay means is that right? Then the next stanza. This. Fall again, said Dad. Fall again, said Dad. Funny joke. Then he swung himself up on a branch. It broke. So, in this stanza, the poet says, Father remarked that mother was unnecessarily getting scared, and to think he would fall was a mere joke. He then swung up on the branch. He wanted to reach the spot where the cat was seated. But unfortunately, the branch broke. The branch broke. So in this stanza क्या कहते कि फिर गिरूं? बोले डैड, अच्छा मजाक है। फिर वह एक डाल के ऊपर लपके और वह डाल टूट गई। ओके, सो इन दिस स्टैंजा the word is first funny. Funny means amusing. Funny means amusing, interesting. And the word swung. Swung is what? Dangled. Dangle, जो झूलते हैं वो. Okay. And the word broke. Broke means टूट गई, broken. Then next stanza. Dad landed wallop back on the deck. Mom said, stop it, you will break your neck. So in this stanza the poet says Dad fell heavily on the floor from where he had climbed up. Mother now could not control herself and told him not to try again. She warned him that if he tried again he would definitely be fatally hurt. So in स्टांजा में क्या कहते हैं कि डैड गिरे धड़ाम से, यहाँ पर गिर गए। वापस आए फर्श पर, मम्मी बोली बस कर दो वरना क्या टूट जाएगी? गर्दन टूट जाएगी और तोड़ दोगे। तो इसके अंदर वर्ड्स कौन से है देखो। फर्स्ट वर्ड है लैंडेड वैलॉप, मीन्स व्हाट? मीन्स fell heavily. Fell heavily. Then the word is deck. Deck means floor. Deck means floor. Okay, then next stanza. Rabbi said that now we will try plan C. Easy as winking to a climber like me. So in this stanza the poet says Dad did not pay any heed to Mom's seriousness of his getting a fatal injury. To drop the idea of climbing the tree was utter nonsense for Dad. He was bent on trying plan C. Father considered himself an expert climber and was ready for the next attempt to climb the tree. So in this stanza इसके अंदर क्या कहते हैं? बकवास। डैड क्या बोले? बकवास। अब हम योजना सी आजमाएंगे। पलक झपकाने जैसी है मेरी जैसी आरोही के लिए। मेरे जैसे आरोही के लिए क्या है? पलक झपकाने की जैसी है। So in this stanza the word rubbish. Rubbish means nonsense. Rubbish means nonsense. And the word winking. Winking means making the eyelid. Making the eyelid move. Making the eyelid move. And the word climber. Climber means one who climbs. Okay. The next stanza. Then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Gaze what? He didn't fall. So in this stanza the poet says Dad climbed on the garden wall to take a big leap on the tree to reach the cat. Mom was afraid that he would fall, but one could not imagine that he did not fall this time. So in this stanza क्या कहते हैं कि फिर वह ऊंचा चढ़ गए। यहाँ पर चढ़े हुए दिखाई देते हैं। बगीचे की दीवार पर सोचो क्या हुआ? वह गिरा नहीं। जो फादर थे वो गिरे नहीं। तो ये स्टांजा में क्या है? वन वर्ड, gaze what. Gaze what means what? Imagine what could have happened? What could have happened? That is the meaning. Gaze what? Then next stanza. He gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk right on the cat. So in this stanza the poet says Dad took a big leap and was successful. Taking here, from here to big leap and taking leap, a big leap and was successful. He landed exactly in the crook of the tree where the cat was sitting. तो क्या होता है इस स्टांजा के, उसने बड़ी छलांग लगाई और वह सही जगह आया पेड़ के उस खोखल में बिल्कुल बिल्ली के पास. ओके, सो इन दिस स्टांजा some words. Leap. Leap means what? Leap means jump. Then the word flat. Flat means exactly. What? Exactly. Then the word crook. Crook means the place. What? The place where something bend. What? Something bend inwards. Something bend inwards. Then the word here given trunk. Trunk means what? Stem. That is the word. Then the next stanza. The cat gave a yell and sprang to the ground, pleased as Punch to be safe and sound. So the cat had to face a terrible moment. She yelled as it was frightened to see Dad landing on her. In turn, the cat landed on the ground. It felt so pleased that it had come down safe and sound. तो ये स्टांजा में क्या है कि बिल्ली ने चीख मारी और कूद पड़ी जमीन पर, बहुत खुश थी सही सलामत आकर. तो यहाँ पर इस स्टांजा में क्या है कि येल. येल मीन्स क्राई, चीस पाड़ते हैं वो क्राई. देन द वर्ड गिवन स्प्रैंग. स्प्रैंग मीन्स जम्प्ड हियर, जम्प्ड. ओके. Then the word safe and sound. Safe and sound means unhurt. Unhurt. Then the last stanza given. So it's smiling and smirking, smug as can be. But poor old Dad still stuck up the tree. So in this stanza the poet says, the cat was nonetheless quite satisfied at her landing, but it smiled mockingly at Dad's pet, who had now been trapped in its place. Here, trapped in his place. तो लास्ट में क्या होता है कि अंततः अब यह मुस्कुराती और मुंह चिढ़ाती है, पूरी तरह संतुष्ट है, पर बेचारे बूढ़े डैड अभी भी फंसे हैं ऊपर पेड़ में. ओके, तो यहाँ पर लास्ट स्मर्कलिंग. द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड स्मर्कलिंग मीन्स ग्रीनिंग. व्हाट? ग्रीनिंग, स्माइलिंग इन एन अनप्लेजेंटली वे. एंड द वर्ड हियर गिवन smug. Smug means to satisfied. What? To satisfied. So this is the explanation of the poem through stanza wise. I have explained to you, and I know you know this poem very easily. Thank you for listening.